Hi, welcome to English 114 Online. This week you're going to continue to work on your proposals. They're not due until December the 4th, so you already know that. You've already been working on your proposal, but this week you're going to continue to do that. I want you to remember that you have to prove the need for the change that you're proposing, and you would do that under the heading of the problem. You're going to have to prove how your solution is a good one. You're going to have to persuade the reader of your memo that this is a legitimate and workable proposal. So you're going to have to do get information for that to show that and convince your reader. And also you're going to have to investigate the cost of everything, and you'll include that under your cost heading. But the assignment for this week, in addition to continuing to work on that proposal, is to give me a progress report on how you're coming along with your proposal. So you've already completed some of the assignments related to it. I know you've put your ideas in the proposal forum, and I know that you have completed your outline because these were assignments that I gave you to do. So I know you've done at least that much, and I'm sure that there are other things that you've already done too. So on your memo for this week, we're going to use the standard 4-heading memo to me from you. The subject would be your progress report on your proposal, and of course the date. And then when you start, you'll have an introductory summary, and of course you'll give your purpose statement in your introductory summary, and so you'll tell me as you are requiring or something similar to that, here is my progress report on my proposal. And so you'll have, after your introductory summary heading, you will have work completed. If you need to go back and review the October 10th through 16th toggle when we did progress reports, go back and review that, but it's the same format, introductory summary, work completed, and then you'll tell me under there. You can bullet the items, you don't have to write it out in a paragraph. And then work in progress, which is what you are currently working on, actively working on. And then work to be completed, that's something that you're not currently working on, but you know that you need to get it done. And so maybe you have done everything that you need to do, all the research and everything, and you have put that under your work completed heading, but then you're currently typing it up, and that would be a work in progress item. And maybe you are still trying to determine what graphic you're going to use, and you could put that under the heading work remaining. Find and create the appropriate graphic for your assignment. One thing that most of you will be able to put under work remaining is the preparation of your online presentation. Unless some of you have been really ahead of the game and have already done that, then put it where it needs to be. So you might have only thing left to do is to turn in your written proposal and to post your online presentation of that proposal. And then our final heading would be the appraisal. We usually have conclusion at the end, but we can have appraisal this time. And on the appraisal, of course, you'll report on how the project is coming along, anything that you've had trouble with, anything that you're yet struggling with, anything you're a little behind on but you plan to catch up on, that sort of thing. And then once you create your memo document, save it and submit it on the Turnitin link. So I hope everything's going well with the proposals, and I'm looking forward to seeing in writing how you're actually coming along with the proposals. If you have any questions, you need my help for anything, remember my virtual office hour, or I can meet with you online through a Google Hangout anytime you need to, just so I'm aware of a time that works best for you. And if you have any questions, email always works. I try to answer your emails as quickly as possible. So have a great week, and continue to work on those proposals so that you won't be pushed at the last minute. December 4th is the deadline for turning everything in, but the progress report on the proposal is due this Sunday night. See you next time.